Yes. Good morning, students. Welcome you all in the class of mathematics for class 7th. And I hope you are all fine and doing well. And here it is the second video for this week where I will explain chapter number 5 exponents. And the topics which I will explain today here is that some laws of exponents. Okay, that we are going to see here some laws of exponents, such as this is the laws. Okay, the first law is here. What I want to give, that if the number is a by b or x by y to the power minus m written, then if you will change the sign of this power, then the space you have to do reciprocal. That means y by x to the power plus m. Example, you can see 5 by 3 power you have to give, suppose that minus 4, then you can write it as 3 by 5 to the power 4. Okay, that means 5 by 3 is negative power you are giving here, and the sign you have changed here. You have made the power positive, then the base you have to reciprocal. Okay, so this way you can note down this also. Now next, one more exponent. This is law number 1 here. Second number rule is this. See this second number rule that is given here. X to the power 0 is 1 only. That means any number you will give power 0 here. 2 by 3 upon 0, that is you will get 1. Okay. Now next it is, yes. Now the next rule I want to say here, third number law, that is if I am saying x to the power m divided by x to the power n, that means the base is same. Here x is a rational number and m and n are powers only, any negative integer or positive integer. M and n can be any numbers, negative or positive. So you can write that it is x to the power m minus n. That means if the base is same, then the power will be the difference of the given number's power. That means the second number power subtract from the power of first number. That means m minus n. If n is given this side, then you will, and m is on this side, then you will write n minus n. Okay, so this is now one example. You can see if written number is 5 by 2 to the power 7 divided by 5 by 2 one power here. If I am writing 3 power, then the result is 5 by 2 upon power, you will get that 7 minus 3. That is 7 minus 3, then you will get 5 by 2 to the power 4 only here. This only result you will get 5 by 2 and the power is 4. Okay. Now next it is rule number 4 now. Law number 4. If the number is given, suppose that x to the power m by y to the power, means the numerator and denominator, if they have same power, then you can take this power common. Okay, this x by y to the power m you will write. Okay, that means m and m, this from numerator and denominator, this power you can take common. For example, if number is written 5 by 3 and here power given 6, here also with the denominator 3 to the power 6, then you will write that it is 5 by 3 to the whole power 6. 5 by 3 to the whole power 6. This 6 power I have taken common. Okay, so this you can see. Yes, now the next rule number 5th, you can see that if the number is, we have got a by b to the power m into a by b to the power n written. So here what you have got, the power is m and n. So in this case you will add the powers because the base is same here. Here also it is a by b and it is also a by b. In that case, when you are multiplying two rational numbers or two numbers with the same base, then only exponent you have to add in the result. In the result, the base is a by b only and the exponents you have to add. This when we are doing, when the base is same, then add the powers. If the numbers you are multiplying, then if the numbers you are multiplying, then only add the powers and keep the base same only, a by b. Okay. Okay, now we will see some questions based on these formulas, based on these laws of exponent. That first question is here. We will see express 4 to the minus 1 as a rational number. As a rational number. Okay. So express this number as a rational number. First you will write that 4 to the power minus 1 means this is what? This is actually it is 4 by 1. So when you will do that 1 by 4, then the exponent you can change the sign plus 1. This rule you have seen that a by b to the power minus m is equals to b by a. You have to reciprocal the base and now you can change the sign of power. So if the minus sign you are changing to plus here in the exponent, then base you have to reciprocal. So this is the number that is 1 by 4. Okay. Now the next question is here. Next question, if suppose that this question is given 1 by 3. This is given 1 by 3 and the power is minus 1. Base is 1 by 3 to the power minus 1 here. Minus 1 is the power. So you can write that 1 by 3 minus 1. So for finding the rational number, first change the sign of the power. So if you will change the sign by again the same formula 3 by 1 and now the negative power it is changed to plus positive only. This power exponent sign change only. Then the base you have done reciprocal and the result is 3 only. 3 by 1 to the power 1 is 3. Okay, so this 3 by 1 is a rational number only. So you can say 3 by 1. Yes, now some more questions. Yes, now the second question is this. Based on these rules, that is finding reciprocal. Find reciprocal of, if the number is given 3 by 8 to the power 4, this number reciprocal, then you can say that reciprocal of 3 by 8 to the power 4 is equals to, only change the only reciprocal the base here, 8 by 3, and the power will be same only. So this way you can get the reciprocal. This is the rule that if the power is common of both numerator and denominator, and that's why we have taken, that's why in the question given it is common power of both numerator and denominator. So in that case don't change this power, keep it as it is, only this 4. For finding reciprocal, only reciprocal this base. Reciprocal of 3 by 8 is 8 by 3. Okay, reciprocal of this 3 by 8 is 8 by 3, and keep this power 4 common here. So this is reciprocal. Now if the question is this given 6 to the power, if the question for this only given 6 to the power 7, its reciprocal you have to find. Then you will say it is 6 to the power means 7, means you can write it is 6 by 1. Okay, this is the question. that find the reciprocal of 6 to the power 7. Then 6 to the power 7, 6 by 1 you can say. So ultimately number is what? 6 by 1 to the power 7. Then you will write reciprocal is 1 by 6 to the power 7. Only reciprocal the base and the common power. 7 is the common power. So don't change that. If write as it is only at the place of power. Okay? The power you will not change here. Only reciprocal the base. Understood all? Yes, now see this. Yes, now the next question is this. You can do. Find the value of following. If the number is given, first number 8 to the power 0. So I have said the formula, if the exponent is 0, power is 0, then result is 1. Whatever is the base, no problem there. So second number is that if the number given 4 to the power 0 plus 9 to the power 0, what is that? So you can say this is here again. This is 1 plus 1. Because 9 to the power 0, this formula you are knowing that x to the power 0 is 1. Any number you are giving power 0, then the result is equal to 1 here. Okay? So you will write 1 plus 1, it is 2. Okay, same way if you are multiplying this number 4 to the power 0 into, so put that 12 to the power 0, then that is 1 into 1. Both the values is 1 and the result is 1 here. Okay students? Yes, now some simplification question is here. The question is given this 3 by 2. This also be 1. 3 by 2. Question is written 3 by 2 to the power 4 into 1 by 5 whole square. Find that, express them as a rational number. Simplify them. Find the simple value of this. Simplify them and write the result as a rational number. So first this 4 power you can write here. 3 to the power 4 by 2 to the power 4 into this 1 power will come to numerator and denominator both, as I have done here. 5 is, it is 2 power here, 1 square and 5 square. So you will write that number is 3 to the power 4, you will find it is coming 81. 3 into 3 you will multiply 4 times, and here 2 upon 2 to the power 4 it is, then you will get it is 16. And the value of 2 to the power 4, this way you can find it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So you can get 16. Same way you can find this 3 to the power 4 also. Okay. Now here 1 by 25. So this you will multiply that 81 into 1. Numerators multiply that, and 25 into 16. 4 times it is 100. Then 4 it is 400. The result you will get 81 by 400. 81 by 4. So this way you can convert the numbers into rational numbers. This is exponential form number and the result is rational number. So this is question that express, simplify and express them as a rational number. Okay. Now, yes, now some more simplification question based on NCERT exercise 13.1. You see that given questions, it is given in NCERT that simplify that. Expression is given 3 square into 10 to the power 4, and write them as a rational number, that means simplified value. So 3 square is 3 into 3 you will do, that is 9. Find the value of this, and this 10 to the power 4 you can multiply with 10 times here, you will do that. You write first 3 into 3 bracket 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. here 9 into 10,000. That means 90,000 result. Okay. Next question is here only. This you can see first. Yes. Next question, which is now given 7 square into 2 square. If this number given 7 square into 2 square, this you will write as 7 square is 49. 49 into 2 square is 4. You will get 4. Now multiply these two numbers. 49 into 4, you will get 196. Okay. So this way you can convert them into, you will do that 7 into 7. This you will write first this only. Write that. First write this. It is 7 into 7 into 2 into 2. Then this result 7 into 7 is 49. And this 2 into 2 is 4. Then at the last result is 196. So that's all, students. Now you will do homework. This only, that exercise 5A question number. This Agarwal exercise 5A. Question number 4 to 7. Okay. And NCERT exercise 13.1. Question number 5 and 6. This is from NCERT. This exercise 13.1. Okay, this you will do and revise all the things what I have explained. Thank you all of you.